Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. If you've ever struggled with tracking your cryptocurrency taxes, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to use Koinly with Turbotax to make tax season a breeze. Koinly is a fantastic tool for importing and organizing your crypto transactions, and Turbotax is the go-to software for filing your taxes. Together, they simplify what can otherwise be a complicated process. First things first, let's get started with Koinly. Head over to the Koinly website and sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and verify your account. Once you're in, the next step is to import your crypto data. Koinly supports integrations with exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and even wallets. Connect your accounts by going to the Imports section and selecting your exchange. If you have a CSV file from your exchange, you can upload that too. Koinly will automatically categorize your transactions, calculate gains and losses, and generate detailed reports. Now, here's where it gets exciting: exporting to Turbotax. After Koinly processes your data, navigate to the Tax tab and select Generate Tax Report. Choose the tax year and make sure everything looks accurate. Koinly will create a comprehensive report in a format that's compatible with Turbotax. Download the file, then open Turbotax on your computer. In Turbotax, go to the Federal section, find the area for importing investment income, and upload the Koinly report. Turbotax will import the data seamlessly, allowing you to review and adjust as needed before filing. One quick tip: double-check for any discrepancies, like unreported airdrops or forks, and make sure your cost basis is correct in Koinly to avoid surprises. If you run into issues, Koinly's support team is helpful, and Turbotax has great guides too. There you have it, a straightforward way to handle your crypto taxes with Koinly and Turbotax. This combo not only saves time but also helps you stay compliant with tax laws. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.